Riwruok mar gavanas okwayo piny owacho mondo okete ong'ala manyime chudo ne jotije kaunti sama gichano chulo jotije. Kane otelnegi kod jakom mar riwruogno kendo gavana ma Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru gilero ni kaunti ochopo kama onge omenda moro amora ka koro giyudo pek e chulo jotije, nyiewo yedhe, ute thieth kod chenro mamoko. Gavana Manyeri Mutahi Kahiga kaachiel kod nyawadgi ma Nyandarua Kiarie Bailisha bende okwayo piny owacho okas chudogo ni mar omenda mane gikwayo nyuolo nyinyo mabotamogi chulo.
Our economy is not really promising, and therefore the little which is there should proper prioritization should be done so that the counties can also move. And we are also urging government agencies like COB, who normally put our names and on papers, on media, that we have not absorbed money. What are we expected to do when 4 disbursements have not been given?
We are reaching a point where counties are in danger of getting into a standstill. We are having challenges because we have not received resources since the December allocation. So there is a shortfall of about 125 billion now. I understand that they are constrained. But even as they pay salaries of civil servants at the national level, we are urging the National Treasury to remember and consider that county governments also employ civil servants. And so if they pay 50% of the salaries at the national level, they should also give us our 50% to be able to pay up-to-date salaries for the county governments.